In 2023, ChatGPT took the world by storm. But now, in 2025, we have so many more affordable and sometimes even better AI chatbot options. From Claude, Perplexity, and Google's Gemini to Microsoft Copilot, the list keeps growing. These are all powerful chatbots, or as they're officially called, large language models, LLMs. But the big question is, which one is the right fit for you and your workflow? Should you use all of them, or just stick with the familiar ChatGPT? By the end of this video, you'll have the answer. But before we dive in, if you're new here, subscribe to stay updated on all the latest AI trends. Each popular LLM today, like GPT, Claude, and Gemini, has unique features, so it's crucial to choose one that matches your workflow. Let's break them down one by one and find out which AI system best suits your business. First up is ChatGPT. We all know ChatGPT. It can handle thousands of tasks: writing, coding, research, learning, and more. The free version, GPT-3, is accessible to everyone, supporting over 95 languages and the ability to resume previous chats. The paid GPT-4 model takes customization further with plugins and the ability to create your own GPT bots. It even integrates with OpenAI's DALL-E for image generation. Plus, OpenAI is launching Sora, their first video generation model. But ChatGPT does have limitations. GPT 3.5 doesn't access real-time information beyond January 2022 and sometimes produces incorrect information. Its writing style can feel formal and robotic. Also, ChatGPT saves conversations, and OpenAI can use them for model improvement, unless you're on the team or enterprise plans, which offer more privacy. So, who should use ChatGPT? It's incredibly versatile and customizable, perfect if you want an all-in-one AI tool. Next up, we have Claude. Claude is developed by Anthropic and recently upgraded to Claude 3, which includes 3 versions: Haiku, Sonnet, and Opus. Opus is the most powerful, while Sonnet powers the free version, and Haiku, coming soon, will be the fastest. Claude has an impressive 200,000 token context window, allowing it to process up to 150,000 words. Great for reading and responding to large documents. It's multimodal and can analyze images and documents, plus it's privacy-focused, deleting prompts within 90 days and not using data for training. However, Claude's knowledge cuts off in 2022. It can't browse the web, and it doesn't generate images. While it's not an all-in-one tool, it excels in copywriting, content creation, and brainstorming because it captures your writing voice well. Now, let's talk about Perplexity. Perplexity bridges the gap between search engines and chatbots. Unlike ChatGPT or Claude, it continuously crawls the web for real-time information, offering clear, human-like explanations. One standout feature is its use of citations and source verification. Its focus mode allows you to narrow searches, from academic papers to Reddit threads. Perplexity combines several LLMs, including GPT 3.5 for language tasks. The Pro plan, at $20/month, offers access to GPT-4 Turbo, Claude's Opus, and more. But it's not perfect. You need to fact-check its answers, and the free version lacks multimodal features. No bots, no images, just text, code, and PDFs. Perplexity is ideal for researchers needing fast, accurate information and can be a powerful all-in-one tool with the Pro version. Moving on to Gemini. Originally launched as Bard, Google's Gemini was rebranded in 2024. It comes in multiple versions: Ultra, Pro, and Nano. Gemini Advanced uses the Ultra model, while Nano is built into Pixel 8 Pro smartphones. Gemini stands out with its multimodal capabilities, handling text, images, audio, video, and code. It also integrates with Google services like Gmail and Drive, plus it can analyze YouTube videos beyond just transcripts. However, Gemini struggles with basic tasks like setting timers or managing smart devices. Its image generation is limited and it can be slow. Still, for Google Workspace users, Gemini has enormous potential and is improving rapidly. Finally, we have Microsoft Copilot, formerly Bing Chat. Copilot is Microsoft's AI tool designed for seamless integration with Office apps like Excel and PowerPoint. It lets you create specialized copilots to automate tasks in your Microsoft workspace. Copilot runs on GPT-4 and can generate AI images, but it requires technical know-how to maximize Copilot Studio, has content restrictions, and the Pro version can be pricey for small businesses. So, which LLM is best for you? Let me know in the comments, which chatbot are you choosing for your workflow? I'll see you in the next one.